This is a chart of the ES2 Renko on 10/26/2011. Yesterday I showed you some trades on the 2 Renko ES. Today I want to show you why I prefer the 4 Renko ES. Now this is a chart of the 2 Renko in the first half hour of trading since the market opens at 6:30 in the morning West Coast time. Now here you might be tempted to make a couple trades. One right here is this goes up here, and you might be tempted to go short over here. These would be very difficult to make a profit on these trades shown in here. This is a chart of the 4 Renko on the same date, today 10/26/2011. Now this is the open right here. You just saw on the 2 Renko that it put in so many bars during this same time period that I couldn't get all the bars on one screen. It was way over to the right here on the 2 Renko. So you can see there's a lot more noise on the 2 Renko than there is on the 4 Renko. This is the same time period as the 2 Renko. In other words, it was in the first half hour of trading that I took both these screenshots, the 2 Renko and now the 4 Renko. Now you can see right here that there is a support level that seems to be in place here, that the 4 Renko came down, hit this area, and then bounced back up. This is today's open, and this is yesterday's close, so you can see the market open much higher today. Now, whatever this support level is, it came down, hit it, bounced up almost to today's open, came back down, hit that support again, bounced up only 1 bar this time, came back down, hit support. Now, you can see there's a squeeze right in here, and also notice that the swing cycle VB has turned red down in here, and that gives you a little clue as to what's coming up. Now here's the actual trade I made on the 4 Renko this morning within the first 45 minutes that the market was open. I pointed out how the swing cycle was turning red right in here, how the market had bounced off this support level, and when the Renko bars go through a support level, the 2 or 3 bars have hit right in here. Generally speaking, you can expect a nice move once that support is broken. So the support was broken right on this bar here, and I entered the trade intra-bar right here. You can also see that the Bollinger Band squeeze ended right in here as the swing cycle was red, continued on down through here. The other indicators showed that the DMI differential was just crossing below its midline, and the dots were all red in here, and the Bollinger Band differential oscillator had turned red in here and was moving down through here. I got out of the trade right here where I put in this red diamond, and that was a 7-point trade right in here. Now I exited the trade really before any of the indicators showed that the market was going to turn, although it's true the R-squared was moving down here toward its trigger line, indicating a trend had ended. But in any event, I didn't expect the equity to really break through the resistance that's found at yesterday's close. So it came down here, hit yesterday's close. The next bar didn't show that it was going below that, so I got out intra-bar here for the 7-point profit. If you'd like to learn more about these indicators, please visit my website at ninjaindicators, the number 4, the letter U.com.